Hello students, today we solve practice set 2.1 question number 3. Write the following equations in the form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and then write the values of a, b, c for each equation. This is given equation. First convert in the x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 in this form. Means there is 0 on right hand side. Therefore this part 10 minus y square we bring on left hand side. When we change the side, signs are changed. Minus y square become plus y square, plus 2y as it is. 10 becomes minus 10 is equal to 0. Comparing given equation 2x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 10. Whenever the coefficient is 1, we don't write 1, but there is a coefficient 1 is present. Second example, x minus 1 bracket square is equal to 2x plus 3. First expand the bracket, that is x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 we bring on left hand side, x square as it is minus 2x as it is. This right hand side 2x when we bring on left hand side, that becomes minus 2x plus 1 as it is, plus 3 when we bring on left hand side, that become minus 3 is equal to 0. Now simplify. Minus 2x like terms. Therefore x square is equal to minus 2x is equal to minus 4x. Signs are same, therefore we add like terms and give the sign same as, that is minus. Plus 1 minus 3. Here signs are different, therefore we subtract 1 from 3, that is 2, but give the sign, that is minus, because 3 has minus sign. Now comparing the given equation to x square plus bx plus c. Here coefficient of x square, that is a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 2. Third example, x square plus 5x is equal to minus into bracket 3 minus x. First we solve the bracket. X square plus 5x is equal to minus 3 minus become plus x. When we solve the bracket, if there is a minus sign before the bracket, when we solve the bracket, the signs will be changed. Here 3 is plus 3, that become minus 3, and x is minus, that becomes plus x. Now this term minus 3 plus x brings on left hand side. Therefore x square plus 5x minus x plus 3. This plus x becomes minus x, minus 3 become plus 3. Here plus 5x and minus x are like terms. X square plus 4x plus 3. Here 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Here plus sign before 5, therefore answer is plus 4x plus 3. Compare with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 3. Roots of quadratic equation. The value of variable which satisfy the quadratic equation or the value for which both the sides of equation are equal are called solutions or roots of quadratic equation. समजा एखाद्या व्हेरिएबलला काही व्हॅल्यू दिलेली असेल आणि ती व्हॅल्यू आपण लेफ्ट हँड साइड मध्ये घातल्यानंतर लेफ्ट हँड साइड आणि राइट हँड साइड दोन्ही इक्वल आले. क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन मध्ये राइट हँड साइडला 0 असतो, म्हणून लेफ्ट हँड साइडची व्हॅल्यू पण त्या 0 बरोबर आली तर आपण काय म्हणणार, त्या व्हॅल्यूला त्या क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनचं सोल्युशन किंवा रूट म्हणू शकतो. ठीक आहे, आपण एक्झाम्पल्स बघूया. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.1. Question number 4. Determine whether the values of given against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of equation. म्हणजे ज्या काही इक्वेशन क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनच्या व्हेरिएबलचे व्हॅल्यूज दिलेत ते घालून बघायचे इक्वेशन मध्ये आणि ते रूट्स आहेत किंवा नाहीत ते ठरवायचे. तर आपण बघूया एक्झाम्पल. Example 1. 3m square minus m minus 10 is equal to 0. Here two values are given, m is equal to 1 and m is equal to minus 5 upon 3. First this value m is equal to 1 we put in the equation or a left hand part of this equation, and left hand part is a polynomial. Put m is equal to 1 in the polynomial, means left hand side part 3m square minus m minus 10 is equal to 3. What is the value of m? 1, means 3 into 1 square minus 1 minus 10 is equal to 3 into 1 square, that is 1, 3 into 1 3 minus 1 minus 10 is equal to 3 minus 1 minus 10, that become minus 11. Minus 11 plus 3. Here signs are same, therefore this is minus 11 plus 3 minus 11. 11 minus 3 8, but 11 has minus sign, therefore answer is minus 8. This minus 8 is equal to 0? No, is not equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 1 is not a solution of the given equation. Put m is equal to minus 5 5 upon 3 in the polynomial 3m square minus m minus 10 means in the left hand side of the equation. 3m square minus m minus 10 is equal to 3 into minus 5 upon 3 bracket square minus into bracket minus 5 upon 3 minus 10 3 into minus 5 upon 3 bracket square, that is 25 upon 9 minus minus plus 5 upon 3 minus 10. Here 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9 equal to 25 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3 minus 10. Here in the denominator 3 means denominators are same, therefore we add numerator 25 plus 5, that is 30 upon 3 minus 10. 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are equal to 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Here left hand side and right hand side of equation is 0. When we put the value of m, that is minus 5 upon 3 on the polynomial part of the left hand side, the answer comes 0. Therefore m is equal to minus 5 upon 3 is the solution of the equation. Question number 6. One of the roots of equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. What is the activity given? This is activity. Here these are the filling the blanks. Now we write down the filling the blanks. Is the root of quadratic equation. What is the given root? Minus 7 upon 5. Minus 7 upon 5 is the root of quadratic equation. Therefore, put m is equal to minus 7 upon 5 in the equation. Therefore, 5 into, here we write minus 7 upon 5 into bracket square plus 2 into minus 7 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. Here 5 into minus 7 upon 5 means 49 upon 25. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. Therefore, next bracket is 1 into 49, that is 49 upon 5 plus 2 into minus 7 upon 5 minus 14 upon 5. Here denominators are same, therefore we add or subtract numerator. 49 minus 14 is equal to 35 upon 5. 35 upon 5 means 5 1 जा 5, 5 7 जा, that is 7 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to minus 7, because this plus 7 bring to right hand side, that becomes minus 7.